helping our fine feathered friends bear this horrible heat that we're going through. I think today's only 92, so it's not that bad. And some places are dealing with heat in the triple digits, as you probably heard all over the world. Temperatures breaking records. We can't forget about our feathered friends and all different types of wildlife. They endure the heat just like we do. So when you can, you try to put ice cubes in their bird bath, and they absolutely love it. I've shown some videos, they've gone viral on Instagram. I just wanted to share that little technique with you. Rob from Think Greener. Bye.